Mater, I'm not doing this. Oh, come on, you love it. Tractor tipping, Spud. This is ridiculous. Alright, listen. When I say go, we go. But don't let Frank catch you. Go! Wait, who's Frank? Mater! Wait, Mater!
Here's what you do. You just sneak up in front of them and then honk. And they do the rest. Watch this. I swear, tractors is so dumb. I'll tell you what, buddy, it don't get much better than this.
Yep, you're living in the dream, Mater, boy.
I don't care who you are, that's funny right there. Your turn, bud.
Mater, I can't. I don't even have a horn.
Baby.
I'm not a baby. Okay, stop. Okay, I'll do something. That's Frank. Ah! Run! Run! Here he comes! Look out! Come on, he's gonna get you! Ah! Oh!